Recessions make people nervous. Jobs are lost, the stock market crashes, and fear takes over. But here's a secret. Recessions are also the best time to build wealth. The greatest investors, Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, and even everyday people who got rich made their moves during downturns. Why? Because assets go on sale. So in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to invest during a recession, where to put your money, what mistakes to avoid, and how to come out richer when the market recovers. Stick with me. A recession is when the economy shrinks for a sustained period. It might feel like the world is collapsing, but history tells a different story. Markets dip, then rebound. Everything is cheaper. This is when millionaires are made. If you invest wisely, you can position yourself for massive gains in the long run. Would you rather buy a Ferrari at full price or when it's 50% off? That's what happens to stocks and real estate in a recession. Smart investors buy when everyone else is selling. So, where should you put your money? Here's a breakdown of the best investments during a downturn. 1. Defensive stocks, safe havens. Some industries survive recessions better than others because they provide essential goods and services. These include healthcare. People still need medicine. Example, Johnson & Johnson, Pfizer. Consumer staples. Products like food, hygiene, and household items. Example, Procter & Gamble, Coca-Cola. Utilities. Electricity, water, and gas will always be in demand. Example, Duke Energy, NextEra Energy. 2. Dividend stocks. Get paid while you wait. Dividend stocks are a secret weapon during recessions because they pay you just for owning them. Even if stock prices drop, you still earn passive income through dividends. 3. Buying blue-chip stocks at a discount. When the market crashes, even top-tier companies get hit. But that's an opportunity. These companies always bounce back stronger. Buying them at a discount is like getting premium stocks on clearance. 4. Real estate, buy low, cash flow later. Real estate can also take a hit during recessions, which means better investor deals. If you have cash or financing options, buying rental properties when prices dip can set you up for long-term wealth. Now that you know where to invest, let's talk about how to invest correctly during a recession. 1. Dollar cost averaging DCA. Instead of trying to guess the market bottom, invest a fixed amount regularly. This way, you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when they are high, averaging your cost over time. Example, investing $500 per month into an S&P 500 ETF. 2. Keep cash ready. Having cash during a recession gives you flexibility to invest in great opportunities. Avoid going all in too soon. 3. Don't panic sell. The worst thing you can do is sell in fear. Example, investors who panic sold in 2008 versus those who held and recovered. 4. Invest in yourself. Recessions are not just about investing in assets. They're also the best time to invest in you. Learn a new skill, start a side hustle, or improve your career prospects. Example, people who used past recessions to launch businesses or switch careers. Recessions aren't the end of the world. They're a golden opportunity. By staying calm and making smart moves, you can set yourself up for massive financial success. Key takeaways. Buy defensive stocks and dividend stocks for stability. Invest in blue-chip stocks at a discount. They will recover. Consider real estate if prices dip. Use dollar-cost averaging DCA to invest consistently. Hold cash for opportunities and don't panic sell.